Hey Brandoons, it's your favorite guy, back once again, the Kung Fu Master. Yeah, that's how I do it, every day.
What is it, every day, Brandon?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a great vlog.
Yeah, it started off good. I just don't know what happened.
It went downhill when you said Kung Fu Master here.
Light and Buddha. Alright, by the way, my sister. Supposedly.
A few moments later.
Yep, I'm your sister.
Some more blackberries.
Don't eat those.
Wild blackberries.
Non-edible blackberries.
Yeah. There's a cute little girl. Alright, Brandoons, we're back again. Hope you don't mind me calling you that. Not gonna lie, I feel pretty corny.
You stepped on my foot.
That is a fine specimen. Guys, look. It feels like a good day to go to the pool. There's another pink foosball, as my mother has named it. We're coming up on the turn. Sometimes there's some obstacles to cross up here. There's water, and you have to walk on the rocks and really kill the momentum of the ride. If you're negative, which I'm not, so I actually enjoy it because I enjoy everything. Oh, there's another, oh my goodness. Whoa. I hope the camera was pointed on that good. It's another trail. Alright, guys, I've seen people biking down that hill before. Yeah, it's like an extreme mountain biking hill. Up there. We're coming up on the marsh. Marshy area. Sometimes has a funky smell. A very unique smell. Here, watch my mom. Oh my gosh, guys, there's minnows in a puddle. How did they get here? Elizabeth, do you see all that? Alright, we're crossing the rocks. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm all out of things to say. Peace and love. What's up, Brandoons? You missed out on a lot. We saw another snake, and Elizabeth, I don't know, and I ran and got, and I just ran and got some apple juice from Aggie. She's diabetic, and I'm sweating now.
He rescued her.
I guess. And I got a lot of water at the water fountain.
Oh, that's really
And it was really,
interesting.
and it was good. It was some nice river water.
That's not good. If you drink river water, you might as well just keel over and die now.
No, I just mean the water fountains here taste different. And
It's not RO like that.
oh, there's a siren going off. Those trigger me. I don't like sirens.
The snake bite that's my fault.
Oh, was it?
Uh,
There was. She scared the little sucker away.
yeah.
I mean, it's your fault.
Alright, that's about all I've got right now.
You can offer to pay for it if you would like.
Remember to like and subscribe. Peace. Alright guys, new specimen we discovered. I call it the black, clear, and brown dragonfly. It probably looks like a spider, but it's not. Alright guys, new specimen.
Are you having to? Do you
My
have a load
mom.
going? Okay, drink up.
What's up, Brand Dunes? Yeah, I made that up. We're out here in nature, walking around, observing all the fine specimens that nature has to offer. We've walked 2 miles. We've walked 2 miles. 1 more to go. This river is a place of fond memories and also some of the worst. Been on many a run here. It's been brutal. Brutal. Oh, that's a trail that you can run up. It has a big hill. I have memories there too. Used to come here when I was even a little kid.
How old are you? Tell your viewers how old.
The world thinks I'm 23, but the truth is a secret, so.
You gotta save all stories for Brand Dunes story time.
Alright, Brand Dunes, thanks for listening.
Wait, made him do the monkey pose?
Like and subscribe for more videos.
If you like this video.